Hello everyone. So how much time we can calculate 85 into 25 within just 2 seconds. So let us see how. So here, so just check the tens place. So what is the tens place? 8 and 2. So sum of the tens place is 10. So just multiply 8 and 2. So you will get 16. So 16 plus, so this number we need to add. 16 plus 5 is 21. So let us write 21 here. So now check units place. So what is units place? So units place is same. So multiply the units place, 5 into 5 we will get 25. That's it. Okay, so just check some let us check some examples. So let us write some examples here. So I am writing 76 into 36. Units place is same. So 6 6 are 36. So now 7 plus 3 10. So 7 into 3 how much? 21. 21 plus 6. So how much? 27. So very simple. So let us check some other example here. 67 into 47. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 7. 31. 7 7s are 49. So very simple. So now let us check some other example. 58 into 58. Units place is same. Tens place 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 8 33. 8 8s are 64. That's it. So let us check one more example. 43 into 63. Okay, so you can calculate just in fraction of seconds. Okay, so let us meet in the next video.